Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this video you are going to learn how to use bitmap mask in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. First thing to do is to go to your home tab right here and make sure you click on bitmap, and then make sure you choose convert to bitmap, and a window like this is going to bump up. Make sure this is 300 dp, and make sure anti-lace checking and transparent background is checked, and then make sure you come to the color mode here and choose CMYK and hit on OK. So it's going to be converted to bitmap. Okay, next thing you need to do is to go back to bitmap again, and this time around you have to come down below here and make sure you choose bitmap mask. All right, so from the point here you have to come to this eye color dropper at the top right here. Click on the icon and then come to the color here, choose a color. So when you choose the color, you have to come back here at this box right here, tick the first box, and once you're done, then you have to come to the tolerance at the bottom right here. You can control the tolerance. This is depends on how you want the background to be removed, and then right here you have to make sure you hide selected color. That is, you want to remove this particular white background. Once you're done, you hit on apply, click on OK. So it's going to remove the background automatically. So you want to control the density, you can come here and make it 80%, hit on apply, it continue like that. Now let's take a look at a trick as far as master bitmap is concerned. So let's, for instance, we select show selected color, and we have to come back here and hit on apply. It's going to reverse the flower and bring out the color we selected. Okay, so let's say we go back to our home tab right here and we click on import icon, and I will look for an image. So let's, for instance, I select this image and click on import, and then I bring this new image into Corel workspace. Then we come back to the top right here, we select on high color drop and we choose this red. Okay, now we come back here and we make sure we click on apply. It's going to show the only selected area. So if we switch back to hide selected area and we click on apply, it's going to show everything that we have in the image, and it's going to hide the subjects of the image. Okay, and we can also correct the density from this point right here. So if I change this background color now, you see that it has been changed. It has removed the inner part of it, and if I switch back to show the selected color, it will show only red. So this is the trick about bitmap mask in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.